I'm Adriana from Toy Room Adventures. Today is December 24th. It's Christmas Eve, and you know what that means. Giveaway! And the winner will be receiving, if you haven't seen my enter giveaway video, well, too late now. But good luck to all of you. You can win a $30 Amazon gift card. I wish I could enter, but I can't. So I'm going to pick a name. I'm so nervous, so excited to see who wins. It's going to be their Christmas gift, and hopefully they like it. There's not that many names, but better chance of winning. Woo. Okay, so I'm really scared. I wonder who's going to win. So I'm so excited. Okay, so shake it. Mix it up. Oh, I thought one just fell. Okay, so it's all shuffled. It's all shuffled up, and I'm gonna pick the lucky winner. Is this one is Bryce Playtime Fun. So big shout out to Bryce Playtime Fun. You won the $30 Amazon gift card. So we will just contact you, then you will send us your email, and we will send you the number or like the code. You'll just have the code, and then you can buy whatever you want on Amazon. So congratulations to you, and shout outs obviously. And I'm sorry if you entered and you didn't win. Good luck next time. Don't worry, there will be future giveaways. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New